Imagine turning your living room into a full-size cinema, without the bulky setup, without the noise, and without the sky-high ticket prices. Epson's latest release just made that dream a whole lot more real. Meet the Epson Lifestudio Grand EH-LS670, the 4K Ultra Short Throw Projector that's rewriting what home entertainment looks and sounds like. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a reinvention. Built on the success of its 2023 predecessor, the new EH-LS670 packs brighter visuals, smarter software, and a sound system crafted by Bose. And yes, it's more affordable than the original. Let's talk specs. The EH-LS670 delivers 3,600 lumens of brightness, both color and white, thanks to Epson's proven 3-chip, 3LCD laser technology. It projects up to 120 inches with stunning 4K resolution and HDR10 support, all from just inches away from your wall. Contrast is where things really level up. With a dynamic contrast ratio of 5 million to 1, double its predecessor, you'll see deeper blacks, brighter highlights, and a whole new layer of depth, whether you're watching blockbusters or exploring immersive game worlds. And the brains behind the visuals? Google TV, a smoother, more intuitive upgrade from Android TV, giving you instant access to all your favorite apps, live channels, and personalized recommendations. Gamers aren't left behind either. With a dedicated game mode and 20-millisecond input lag, your reaction time stays sharp, perfect for competitive action or casual adventures. Setup couldn't be easier. The Epson Setting Assistant app uses your smartphone's camera to automatically fit and align the image, saving you from endless manual tweaks. And for sound, Epson has teamed up with Bose. A custom 2.1-channel 20-watt system ensures audio as immersive as the visuals, rich, balanced, and cinema-ready straight out of the box. The Epson Lifestudio Grand EH-LS670 is available now across Europe in metallic black or diamond white for £2,200 or €2,299.99. That's a step up in performance and a step down in price compared to the original. A projector that doesn't just play movies, it transforms your space. So is it time to bring the big screen home? That choice is now yours.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.